I believe that you'll have come after nearly 5 months.
Yeah.
And how exactly did you muster that courage to come to school when the doctors are suggesting impending third wave?
Okay. So they told third wave is affecting kids too much, but we were like, it's not that much affecting. But they're starting school because of the online. How much time, like how many periods will you attend only online classes? It's affecting our eyes also. So we
How
had.
did it affect you personally, sitting at home and attending online classes?
Okay, so there was a lot of network issue in my home, so I could not attend properly. I could not understand whatever they say.
No problem. So how do you feel now coming to school?
I'm feeling happy because if they teach in classes, we can understand clearly, we can ask doubts, and they can clear us.
Okay.
So I don't have any doubts if I attend in classes. But if I attend in online classes, I will have so much of doubts, then questions. So that's
Do you fear when you're talking about, there is still coronavirus, we are still in the pandemic, do you still have the fear?
yes, I have.
You do? So
Yes,
what are the kind of precautions you're taking?
always wear mask. Always, you always use sanitizers. Even I have in my pocket all the time. I will use it. Then maintain social distance.
What was the first thing when your parents told you when the government decided, yes, the schools are reopening?
They were like, see, if you want to go, it's your choice. We are not gonna force you.
That's a great thing.
Yeah,
Okay, so how do you feel coming to school, back to school,
I'm feeling
and
very
this is
happy.
amidst the pandemic? Do you still have that fear in you?
Yeah, I do, but I just wanted to come here because online class is not very sufficient to understand and all. It feels good that we can meet our teachers.
What is the response like? Are your other classmates are also coming in, or is it very less? What is the response from your other classmates?
Few of them are coming, few of them still have their fear or their parents are not sending them. It's like that.
So when you stepped into the school, what was the kind of procedure that you went through?
The school was very completely good and full of
No,
the
did they ask you in terms
uh,
of consent form and all that?
all the concert from a year. Even we have been carried it, but since many of them are not coming, we are not good at bringing. So as they informed 2 days back, so all are coming hope. So even I'm in the 10th grade. So hope so if we come for the school, it's good for our basics and everything. Thank you.
Only after 5 months, we're looking at where students are once again back to school. And as far as Karnataka is concerned, the government decided to open the schools, especially schools and colleges for grades 9 to 12. And if you're asking about the response, yes, it is not really 100%, because what we understand is that these children, these students will have to get a form that is signed by the parents, and only then will they be allowed to enter the classes. So to show you the kind of strength over here, now this particular classroom that we are talking about here at least has a strength of at least 45 to 50 students in this particular class. But today we are looking at the seating arrangements that's been made by the management and the teachers here is only about 20 students. So of course there are various COVID appropriate behavior that's been followed on ground, from wearing masks and also ensuring that before entering the classrooms, the thermal screening that's being done, and also the seating arrangement. If you're clearly looking at only in some benches we are looking at just one student being seated, but whereas the others we are looking at least about two, which means 20 students will be seated in the classrooms. Now that's the kind of decision that's been taken by the management. But also remember, it's very important to also note that as far as students are concerned, speaking to some of them, what they tell us is that yes, of course, it's been in fact very long time and they're so excited to come back to classes, attend the classes. But there are some students who have chosen, especially the parents, who were clearly not ready to send them to school, also understanding the fact that the fear in them. So to those students, what we see is that who have not come to the schools, we see simultaneously when the on-campus classes are on, there will also be online classes. So those who are not here in the classrooms, they will be allowed to in fact, attend the online classes. Now, if I could go across to at least one or two students to understand how exactly do they feel coming back to the classrooms here. What was the first thing when the government decided to open schools? What was the reaction from your parents?
We will send like that.
Okay. So what was the entire procedure when you entered the school?
It
Did
was
you
need.
submit a consent form?
Yes,
Your parents were ready?
yes, they were
Okay, you're
ready.
coming back to school after 5 months. How do you feel?
It was good.
Okay.
We like to come to the school.
Okay. Let me go across to another student here. So tell us, how do you feel coming back to school here?
Excited.
You're excited? Yeah. There are not all your classmates are here. Some of them have chosen to stay back home. So what was your reaction from your parents that when you said you want to go to classes?
Go safely, they told.
Okay. So whereas, of course, the students, what they're telling us is that the parents have agreed, allowed them to attend the classes, but whereas some students are continuing the online classes, so those who won't be able to attend, they will continue. If I could go across to a teacher here, what is the response like today? Today is the first day that you're looking at.
The response is quite good.
Okay.
They have all come, most of them have come. We are also very excited to meet our students after a gap of 5 months. So we will wait and see what is going to happen.
Okay.
The response is really good.
Okay, the government has gone ahead and decided to open schools at a time when the impending third wave. What's your reaction to that?
We have to come forward with such steps that has been taken by the government. Okay, we will see, and we have instructed our students to maintain social distancing, wear their mask, sanitize, and let's see what is going to happen.
So it is a choice given to the students whether or not they want to attend the on-campus.
Yes, yes.
Okay, well. So clearly telling us that it is a choice given to the students and also to the parents that whether or not they want to attend the classes. This is on-campus classes, but today we hear that of course, as far as not 100% that we're looking at least about 50 to 60% of the students who have come here to attend the classes.